In JavaScript, an array is data structure that allows you to store and manipulate a collection of values. These values can be a data type, including numbers, strings, object, or even other arrays. Arrays are ordered, meaning each element has an index associated with it. You can access elements by their index. Arrays provide several benefits in JavaScript. First one, the order collection. Arrays maintain an order of the elements, make it easy to access and manipulate them based on their position. Second, flexibility. Arrays can hold different data types and can be resized dynamically. Third, efficient access. Elements in an array can be accessed by their index, which allows for efficient retrieval. Last benefit is the numerous of built-in methods. JavaScript provides a variety of built-in methods for array manipulation, such as adding, removing elements, searching, sorting, and more. In JavaScript, array indices started as 0. Therefore, the first index is 0. The array length and last index in JavaScript are different. The array length represents the number of elements in an array, while the last index is one less than the length of the array. For example, if the array has the length of 5, then the last index will be 4. You can generate an array in JavaScript using various methods. First one is array literal. Create array by specifying its element inside square brackets. Second method is array constructor. Use array constructor to create an array. Last method is the array from. Create an array from a tuple or array-like object. Just to highlight element type of array one more time, that each element in an array can hold a value data type, including strings, numbers, booleans, object, or even other arrays. You can check the compatibility of array methods with a specific browser by referring to the resources like MDN documentation, which provide information about the browser compatibility for JavaScript methods. To determine if the array methods are existing or deprecated, you can check the MDN as well. Deprecated methods are typically marked as such in the documentation, and you should avoid using them in the modern code. In conclusion, arrays are fundamental and versatile data structure in JavaScript that allow you to store and manipulate a collection of values. They offer numerous of benefits, including order storage, flexibility, efficient access, and a wide range of built-in methods for various operations. Arrays can hold elements of different types, including strings, numbers, booleans, objects, or even other arrays. If you are eager to learn more about workings with arrays in JavaScript, stay tuned for upcoming video series. In these videos, we're going to explore each array methods in depth, show you how to use them effectively in your JavaScript code. No matter what's your level in JavaScript, understanding array methods will enhance your ability to work with the data in JavaScript and unlock new possibilities. So get ready to dive in the world of the arrays, level up your JavaScript skills. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.